Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the Add to Cart button color in Shopify. For example, you could make it green as shown here. While green may not be the ideal color choice, you can definitely find one that better matches your style. You can follow along using the link to Shopify provided in the description below. Alright, let's get started. First, I'm in my Shopify dashboard. I'll go to Online Store and navigate to the Themes page. I'm using the standard Dawn theme, but this method should work with any theme. Next, click on the three dots next to your theme and select Edit Code. In the code editor, search for Product to find the file named section-main-product.css. Open this file. Now, press Ctrl+F to search within the file and type in product-form__submit. Once you locate this section, you can add your custom button background color. To change the background color, type background-color, followed by your preferred color. You can enter a color name like green or use a specific color code such as an RGB or hex code. You can find color hex codes with a quick Google search or by using your brand colors. In my example, I'll try a specific color by pasting it in. Remember to include a single hashtag before the hex code and end the line with a semicolon. If you'd like to change the text color of the button, add color colon followed by your color choice. For instance, I'll try blue here. Once you're done, click Save. After saving, preview your store by clicking the Preview option. Navigate to any product page and you'll see that the button color has changed. And that's how you can change Add to Cart button color in Shopify. Don't forget to try it yourself using the link to Shopify provided in the description below.